All right. Good morning, everybody. It is, what is the date? I don't even know. Was it 28th or something? It is Thursday, December 28th, 2023. Good morning, everybody. I hope you had a good Christmas if you do celebrate. I'm out in New York right now myself with family, so haven't been here for a couple days, but figured it would be good to jump in here and do a review of the last couple days and get everyone set up for the end of the week here. Um, let's go ahead and jump back to what was it, the 26th. So obviously the markets were closed for Christmas Day, and then we opened up here on the 26th. And let me just make sure I have all this correct here. Where is my? Oh, it should be here. Well, this was Tuesday, December 26th. So we're going to do just a quick review of what happened here in the last 2 days, and we'll get to our review for this morning. Forgive me, I'm a little bit out of the pocket here. Let's go back. So market opened back on Tuesday, right to the 200 moving average, as you guys can see, and then it was a nice stair step up. We made it all the way up to basically up to our next roadmap level, 48.20 half. Pulled back, it got through, and then we got through the high the day before. So you can see that the whole day was basically just a ride right up the moving averages. We got outside of the high the day before there, and then got this really aggressive push all the way up to, I guess, what we could call the middle of nowhere. We just fell just in front of our next scaffolding, and then pull back to test the high the day before again. So that was, and it was pretty low volume there back on, I guess, Tuesday of this week. And then here we have the overnight coming into Wednesday, where the market just kind of went sideways. Again, pretty low volume for the last couple days. And then when the market opened yesterday, had a beautiful hold right off our scaffolding here at 20, or our support and resistance at 20 half. Tried to go ahead and bounce, right, to continue with the breakout. Remember, the day before, we got the push to new highs. We got through the high from the week before there, and then pulled back, and we held the roadmap level to attempt to bounce back up. So looked like it was going to potentially get through the close of the day before, break out to the new high, and instead just kind of went and became messy. So this is how yesterday played out, and as you can see, some really nice holds off our roadmap level at 20 half on many tests here, and basically held it to go ahead and attempt to push up to new highs. However, yesterday what happened was they came up right to the high of the day before. In fact, basically held it to the tick on these two smaller tests, and then got a pullback right to 50% of the day before. So if you were here yesterday, it was a very choppy market. But if you bought our roadmap levels, and here's the stair step type of stuff, if you bought the pullbacks to the roadmap levels, you got in with basically no risk for a nice 6, 7, 8, 9 point bounce, at least on this first test out of the open. And then if you bought the pullback to the midline there, you got yourself another 10 points right up to the close of the day before. So even inside of the chop, if you look, the most important rotations yesterday were right off our roadmap levels, okay? And that's basically how the whole day went there. You can see the stair step again trying. Let's see if I can draw this out on my mobile setup here. Trying to stair step back up the levels, right? So we held 50%. We held the 20 half roadmap level. And then they tried to go ahead and break out. And then failed, again, just like earlier in the day, right off the high of the day before there. And then coming into this morning here, you can see it looks like the bulls are holding, right? We held 50% of the day before yesterday. So it looks like we may be beginning a continuation to the upside right now. So we got our little peak above the high of the day before there, and now we're getting a little bit of a pullback. So that's what's happened here over the last 2 days. Sorry if it's a little sloppy. I'm a little out of it, I've been eating and lots of crap for the last couple days, and So I apologize if I'm a little sloppy here. But let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on for this morning here. So I'm going to go ahead